Hello,
I'm Princess Jessa Q. Jaime.
and I'm Tyrell James C. Creno, and today we're going to tackle about
Happy day in the life of a busy student. A skit about a busy student who needs to perform well in school, sports, and extracurricular activities.
the students will go through their day in each step. We'll explain how biomolecules will help students to stay energized, focused, and healthy.
Carbohydrates provide quick energy for the brain and the body, helping for the student to stay focused and alert for morning classes. They are broken down into glucose, which is used by cells and for energy.
Proteins support brain's functions by helping produce neurotransmitters which enable communication between brain cells. Nucleic acids like DNA and RNA provide genetic instructions for brain development and function, allowing the students to stay focused and learn.
Proteins are essentials for building and repairing muscle tissue. During exercise, muscle undergo microtears, and proteins help repair and rebuild them. This enables the students to recover faster and perform better in subsequent sport activities.
Healthy fats, like those found in fruits like avocado, provide long-lasting energy by being broken down into fatty acid and glycerol. Those molecules are then used by cells for energy, supporting the students' physical and mental activities throughout the day.
A balanced meal with carbohydrate, protein, and healthy fats help the students recharge and improve. Carbohydrates provide energy, protein support muscle repair, and healthy fats support skill, help ensuring the student is well prepared for the next day. Carbohydrates provide quick energy for the brain and body, helping the students stay focused and alert for morning classes. They are broken down into glucose, which is being used by cells energy.
This scenario combines daily activities of students with explanation about the role of each biomolecule in a fun and engaging way.
In this video, you learn on how biomolecules actually works in each of our bodies, especially if you're a busy student with a healthy lifestyle and daily consumption of healthy food.